Hey everybody, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another weekly check-in. It is the third week. We're going to go through July the 11th through July 17th. Now I'm pretty sure I did pretty good with some no spin and everything else. But before we get started, I am using a Erin Condren Deluxe planner. If you would like your own planner, the link will be down below. And you can order it and start budgeting also, just like us. I also have my calculator from Walmart. I have a list of everything that I spent this week. I have my cheat sheet just to see which category that I am going to be getting the sticker out of. And then I have stickers from Simply Cami. So let's get started. Now, I'm going to zoom you guys in for a little bit. Alright, so on the 11th, we had a no spin day. Usually on Thursdays, I try not to spend anything. On Friday, the 12th, was a payday. Now, if you have not seen my cash envelopes and my budgeting or my stuffing my sinking funds, I will link that down below. But usually it always happens on payday. Now, on the 12th, we went to Michael's. I had to buy some stuff for the baby shower. So that's actually going to be coming out of the sinking fund. So, baby shower. I'm gonna write BS for $18. And then also, I have not been to the store to get any snacks because I am working 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. But this is actually my last week, so thank God. But we had to go to Dollar Tree. I used my fun money, which is my cash envelope. And I spent $20 at Dollar Tree because I needed some snacks for work. And I didn't want to go to the vending machine upstairs because that's just a lot of money. So I just went to the Dollar Tree, bought enough snacks for the whole week and then some. Alright, and then that is everything that I bought on the 12th. Now on Saturday, that is our usual grocery shopping, getting gas money, or not gas money, but getting gas. So we got gas and it was $15. I usually always get $15 in gas once a week. I am budgeted $60 for 2 weeks. Then we went grocery shopping and we spent $39. Now, if you have not seen my grocery haul, that will be linked down below. Also, that always uploads on Sunday because I film on Saturday. So, all right. And then last but not least, at Walmart also, I did use my fun money again. And I got a newspaper and then I got some beauty products. Now, the reason I get a newspaper is because I videotape weekly ads and deals for you guys also, so that will be linked down below. Those are fun to do. I have not couponed in about 2 weeks because I also have not vlogged in 2 weeks, which is very sad because I miss it so much. I've just been tired from work, you guys. But we spent $10 in our fun money. All right. So now we're going to move on to 14th, 15th, 16th, and the 17th. And 14th and the 15th, I had a no spin day. So that's pretty exciting. I've actually spent no money on Sunday so far. So that's exciting. So I wonder if I can keep that up. I doubt it because we're leaving on the 28th, which is a Sunday, to go to Disney. So that will be broken. Now on the 16th, my friend and I got together and we bought a ton of stuff for baby shower, for Disney. So all of this that I am going to write down is going to be taken out of my sinking fund. So I'm going to have to add all of this together. So the wedding shower, I did a wedding shower gift for my friend that's having her shower this Saturday. I went to Bed Bath & Beyond and I spent $20 off the registry. Then I had to go to Dollar Tree. I had to get a gift bag, so I got $5 out of my gift sinking fund. Then I am taking the ACT test also this Friday. So please, while you are watching this, send me a prayer, because when this video goes up, I either have already taken it or taken it right now. But that was $47. And then Charming Charlie's. They are going out of business. Every single store in the United States. If you did not know that, you should go and get some Mickey ears or jewelry or whatever. Their Mickey ears were like $12 and it's 20% off right now. So I bought two. I bought a regular black pair and then I bought a rose gold pair. So that was $35. And then that is all. So I spent $109 in my sinking fund. So I'm just going to do, let's write different. And then I will look back and see what I spent on the video if I ever confused on what different means. Put that right there. So that is $109 that we spent, you guys. And then last, on the 16th, I went to Walmart and I had to get some spray paint because I am spray painting something for my friend's baby shower. It's actually a crate. I'm going to spray paint it white, and then I bought some letters at Michael's a couple of weeks ago. And I'm going to spray paint those at baby blue with their on it and glue it on there. Hot glue it. So I thought that would be super cute. Alright, and then last but not least, on the 17th, the only thing I did was my cushion. So cushion is the light blue, and cushion means that this came out of my debit card. So my Netflix came out, which I usually don't budget that in, but Netflix came out, and then I bought 2 downloadable party games for the baby shower, which was $6. So that is $22. So I'm going to write net / Etsy, if I can fit that. And that was $22. We're going to add that to the 17th. All right, so let me zoom y'all out, give y'all an overview. So this is everything that I spent from the 11th through the 17th. So I did actually pretty good. We had a no eating out, so that is great. I mean, we couldn't because we don't have any money in our envelopes, but I thought so good. I did not even use my fun money to go eat out or anything like that, so that is actually really, really awesome. So now we are going to flip through and do our check-in for you guys. All right. So for groceries, we're just going to flip through real quick. For groceries, we only spent $39. Gas, we spent $15. Out to eat, 0. Cushion, no, well, let's start with fun money. Fun money, we did 20, 10, so that's 30, and then another 20, so that's 40, so that's $50 that we spent. Sinking funds, we did $18 and $109, so that's $127. And then cushions was only $22. All right, so let's see. Let's get the calculator going. So $100 minus 39 equals $61. All right, $60 minus 15 for gas equals $45. $60 minus $50 for fun money will be $10. All right, and let's do cushion, and then I'll have to flip to my sinking fund envelope. Cushion is $100 minus $22 equals to $78. And then sinking funds, I'll have to flip over just to see the total, which is $749. All right, so that's $749 minus 127 equals $622. So that is awesome, you guys. So this is my remaining balance. Groceries is $61. Gas is $45. Fun money is $10. Sinking funds is $622. And cushion is $78. I hope y'all enjoyed this videos. Let me know down below if you would like to see more check-ins. Also, let me know if you have a channel also that does cash envelopes, budgeting, anything like that, even grocery hauls. I am more than willing to go and visit y'all's channel, go and subscribe also, and get to know y'all. So I hope y'all are having a wonderful week. I am having a great week. Please continue to pray for me as I take my ACT test this Friday, which y'all are going to be watching this already. I hope that I do good. I hope that I pass. I'm a little nervous, but send all the prayer warriors towards me, and I will see you guys later. Hopefully I will be vlogging soon, and if not, I will see you guys on Sunday for a grocery haul and for a weekly ad and inserts. So I will see you guys later, and y'all have a blessed weekend. Bye.